natural tendency of a player is really to get frustrated, especially, things are not going well sa team or sa'yo as a player. So, I think yun lang yung nangyari. Pero I was surprised kasi the whole game I was really, parang playing honest. I mean, playing defense lang. And kinakausap ko pa nga siya sa game. Nag-uusap pa kami. So that's why I was surprised with what happened. Well, again, maybe he got frustrated sa nangyari. So, yun.
Yung napansin ko lang, before that play, medyo may onti na. Tapos tinapik mo pa yung ulo ni Terence.
Oo, nag-sorry pa ako sa kanya eh.
Nag-respond pa ba siya?
Nag-sorry pa ako sa kanya eh. Sabi ko, I mean, I'm not a dirty player in the first place. I'm not gonna fight anyone. Number one, I have so much respect on him as a player. We've been teammates somehow in the national team. For me lang, I think he doesn't have to do that. I mean, if you're frustrated, that's part of the game. Diba? So, we as a team, personally, I have so much respect on him as a player. That's why I defend him like that. Kasi, respeto sa kanya. So, that's why nagulat lang ako sa So, yun. So, hindi ko alam kung ano tumatakbo sa isip niya. But at the end of the day, I think he's just frustrated.
May mga minamount siyang words. Any clue why nasabi niya yun?
Well, sinasabi lang niya na I kept on complaining. Puro raw reklamo. The whole game, I'm relaxed. I'm just doing my job, playing defense. Yun lang naman ang kailangan kong gawin for the team. I wasn't playing that well offensively, but I think defensively, nagawa ko naman yung job ko sa kanila ni Pringle somehow. So, wala naman yung ginawa ko. And I have nothing, wala akong intention to hurt him. Kung nasaktan man siya, hindi ko na sinasadya yun for sure. But I have no intention to hurt him or hurt anyone dito sa PBA. So, yun. Bottom line is, maybe if I'm on his place, I think I'll be frustrated also. But I'm not gonna retaliate like that, malakas talaga siya eh. I mean, meron naman siyang, may tama talaga siya. Pinakita ko nga sa buong team. Nagulat lang talaga ako na ginawa niya. I mean, of all the people na gagawa nun sa akin, si Terence. So, but again, nandun pa rin yung respeto ko sa kanya as a player. I mean, he's an icon, he's an idol sa basketball. Siguro as a kuya, pero siguro lang, I think, if you're frustrated, just, after the game, di ba, mag-retaliate or whatever. I mean, my advice lang is really, as a kuya, nakikinig naman siya sa akin dati. So, he's a good player, he's a great player, he's a very talented player. I think, dapat yung mga ganung bagay. Kasi a lot of kids, a lot of people are watching him as a player. Kasi icon siya ng PBA. He's one of the face ng PBA. So, siguro, yun lang. Dapat ingat din siya sa mga ganung mga act of, dirty. He's not a dirty player, I know. He's not. Nagulat din talaga kami, actually. Nagulat din ako. So, yeah. Well, yun naman nag-overreact. Nagulat kasi ako na tumama sa gilid ko. Malakas naman siya eh. Hindi naman siya mahina lang na I need to. Medyo, may konti, pero parang nagulat ako, nag-retaliate din ako. Kasi nagulat ako eh. Pero bakit kailangan mong gawin yun? Diba? I mean, yun lang yung naging reaction ko. Yun lang yung naging reaction.
And for sure, mapag-usapan sa social media. Parang, tayo ba, tingin mo personally ba,
ako, playing more than 10 years in the league, I've been a lot of battles like that, di ba? Hindi ko napapatulan yung ganyan. I mean, the most important thing now is we're in the semis. Yun lang yun. Ang importante, nanalo kami this game. We're gonna focus on the next game, either TNT or Meralco. I'm not gonna parang gagawin kong big deal itong nangyari sa amin. Probably, siguro, media, I mean, that's part of it, di ba? But I'm not gonna, hindi ako magpapa-apekto regarding that matter. So, kayo nang bahala dyan. Okay?